Hello, good afternoon. Our topic for today is systems of linear equation in two variable. So in here, we have equations and we will identify if uh, they are independent, dependent, consistent, inconsistent, identify the number of solutions if they have, and if they intersect or they are along in the same line or they are parallel to each other. So today you will learn the about all those topics. So we have two equations here. We have equation 1, x plus 3y is equal to 8, and equation 2 is 2x minus 9 is equal to y. So let us use um, in equation 1, let us use x and y intercepts. And in equation 2, let us try to use the slope method. So in equation 1, let's try to solve. Um, Here, let's wait. So in equation 1, let's use an x and y intercept. So x plus 3y is equal to 8. So to get the x-intercept, so we will be equating y is equal to 0. So x plus plus 3, y is equal to 0. In solving x-intercepts, we should always equate y to 0 is equal to 8. So x plus 0 is equal to 8. So therefore, x is equal to 8. So that is the value of x. So we will be plotting that in our Cartesian plane. So x is equal to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is just 6. So let's use the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. So let's plot it. So in this topic also, we will learn to identify if the graph 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So you will learn to identify the graph. So that is the plot, the point of your first equation in the graph. So let's solve for the y-intercept. So y x plus 3y. So I am always writing the equation is equal to, so in solving the y-intercept, we should equate x to 0. So 0 plus 3y is equal to 8. So therefore, y, you divide, so it will become 3y is equal to 8. So you divide both sides of the equation by 3. Y therefore will become 8 over 3, 8 over 3. So using your calculator, you divide 8 divided by 3 is equal to 2.67. So, or 2.67. So, if you are to plot that, so that is positive. So, 2, 4, so 2.67 is somewhere here. So, 2, 4, so somewhere here. Okay, so you connect the two lines. So, that is the line of your first equation. So let's try to solve the second equation. So our second equation is 2x minus 9 is equal to y. So in this equation, we will be using the slope of the line method, or slope of the graph, slope of the equation. So that is y is equal to mx plus b. So let's just arrange everything. So that is y is equal to 2x minus 9. Then we identify the value of x, the value of m, which is 2, 2 or 2 over 1. So by identify, and your y-intercept is equal to b is equal to negative 9. So to plot that, we locate first negative 9. So 2, 4. So since this is negative, it is located here. So this is negative y, this is positive y, this is positive x, this is negative x. So negative y, negative 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, so 10. So your 9 is somewhere here. Negative 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8 here. So your negative 9 is here. And the movement will be positive 2 up 1. So this is our grid is by 2 units. So positive 2 up and 1 to the right. So 1, 2. So 1, let me draw that. 1, 2, up, then 1. So somewhere here, your first graph. Then again, 1, 2, then here, this is your second point. Then 1, 2, 1, here, then 1, 2, here, then 1, 2, here. So by doing that, you have your points. Let me draw it. Okay, so that is your graph. So by looking at that, if you will notice that there is an intersection or meeting of two lines. So therefore, in order to answer our problem, so um, our problem, so identify the graph. So we have a graph already. Just look at it. And letter B, how many solutions? So if we have intersection, the intersection is actually the pair or the solution of the graph. So there's only one intersection, so there's only one solution. And letter C, if identify if this is consistent or inconsistent. our system is consistent, but we only have one solution. So remember that uh, systems of linear equation in two variables. So our problem here is to identify or to plot the graph of these two equations, and we identify the number of solutions, and we identify if the system is consistent or inconsistent. So, but uh, to summarize this concept, this simple concept, so we have here general node types of linear systems. So there are three types of systems of linear equations in two variables and three types of solutions. So the independent system has exactly one solution like that we had a while ago. And the point where the two lines intersect is the only solution. So you only have one solution. So a while ago, we have an independent system with one solution, and that is consistent system. So we haven't yet discussed. So our previous system is similar to this independent system. Okay, so let's try to solve other problems. Let's try to solve other problems there. Is it similar? 1, 5, 1. Okay, so that's it. That's our first equation. So let's try solving some problems. Okay, so we have answers here. So we will try to solve. We'll try to get. Um, mm, so we don't have here uh, parallel problems. Okay, so that's it.